Welcome to New Orleans Way of Life. Hello everyone. Thank you for joining me today. Today we have a bead unboxing from Golden Age Beads. First up we have 15 by 4 millimeter stainless steel ear stud ball with loop studs. Now these don't come with the backings on them. You have to get the backing separately, I found out. Be good to put a little dangle on there. Next up, black agate 8 millimeter beads. I keep on running out of these. Black beads are very popular here as a fashion item. These are beautiful beads. They're like top-notch gemstone beads. There's a 40 by 30 millimeter Nautilus shell ceramic bead. And it's coffee brown ceramic. I love ceramic beads. They just offer so many different designs and everything. And this is a good focal bead for say a necklace or it's a little heavy for a bracelet, but yeah, it can be used in a bracelet. Definitely, I wouldn't use it on earrings, that's for sure. I'm not sure anybody's ears could handle this, how heavy this is. Next up is 8 millimeter striped agate beads. I just love agate. Agate, you know, you get all these stripes and variation in color in beads. Is great purple mountain jade beads. These are 8 millimeter. Purple is also a very popular color here. It's like I asked someone what their favorite color is, and like 90% of the time it seems like purple. So I run out a lot of purple beads too. Next up we have 14 by 10 millimeter, and we got two different types here, or two different colors of the same type of bead. They're ridged donut metallized ceramic bead. We have it in copper and silver. I wanted to check these out to see what they were like and everything before I ordered more. And I think I'm going to order a bunch more of these. Then I wanted to get some memory wire, and they were running a little bit of a special on these. This is 20 millimeter. And it's gold tone. I also got it in silver. Very popular also bead that I get is the Orchid semi-transparent jade, and these are 8 millimeter. I like the various sizes. I get the 4 millimeter, and the 8mm, and then also the 10s. It's a beautiful color. Then I have the 13 by 10mm grooved barrel metallized ceramic bead. This was another one that I wanted to check out before I ordered more of them. See, with these beads here, you can use them on leather cord, especially, and they're great. They're great for unisex bracelets, but I'll mainly use them on male oriented bracelets. So plan on doing a bunch of sliding knots bracelets for men. I'd love Asian Asian beads with the writing on them. These are 12mm round ceramic beads in a blue and well, it says beige, but these are white. I just love the designs on them. And these have a fairly large hole in them. Might be able to use them on leather cord also. So that concludes the order here. Stay tuned for a beaded bracelet design. Thank you. If you like our videos, hit the like button, and if you want to see future videos, hit the subscribe button. Thank you, and welcome to New Orleans Way of Life.